I'm back. A nice little cream that I put on just so my eyelashes can be nice and soft, you know. So I also ask for pink. The whole time giving me white. And sometimes I get confused, like I don't know what to do and stuff like that. Okay, now we're just gonna okay, yeah. I wipe it off now because my eyelashes was too long. So now we're just gonna go like this. Let's put going to put this back. And of course it's also for my eyebrows. I look like I'm bald now. See? You see, it look like I have no eyebrows. We're gonna use now my other wipe. This wipe. Now it's time for dressing. My skin is glowy, guys. I paused it, I don't know. So I'm gonna show you my outfit in the fourth. I think this is the fourth part of third part. I think it's the third part, but the fourth part. It's my braces. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna wear to my grandma. And I'm gonna look pretty like mother, skin care, ballerina, cappuccino, me. You saw